Independence Day speech for children. A very good morning and happy Independence Day to you all. My name is Pradeep, or you can say your name. Today is 15th of August and it is our 78th Independence Day. India got freedom from British rule on 15th August 1947. We hoist our national flag on this day every year. We celebrate this day with lots of joy and happiness. I love my country very much. I am proud to be an Indian. Jai Hind. Thanks for the opportunity and have a good day. Thanks for watching.